Hey everybody, welcome to GT Customs. Got another review for you guys today. Going to review some amp power steps that I put on my Chevrolet truck. I went with the Power Step XLs because I got a pretty good lift on my truck, and they go down about 3 inches further down than what the regular amp steps do. And you got a lifted up truck, it sure makes it a whole lot easier to get in and out with them like that there. I went with the Power Step XLs since my truck's lifted up. Kind of gives you the look like it's got some kind of like a undercarriage, like a Nerf bar or something, some kind of undercarriage protection there, rocker panel. But all that is the extension for the steps. It lets them come down about 3 inches or so further than what the other ones do. They just kind of hook right into your OBD2 port underneath your dash, and seem to work perfect. Now, the one thing I did do is I did not use the lights that came with it to light up. I went underneath and put a strip of LEDs all the way down underneath. It lights up all the way underneath my truck and stuff, and I seem to like it a whole lot better. Like I say, I've had these now for probably 2 months, and I gotta say, I can't find a bad thing to say about them so far. They're good and strong, good and stout. I'll try to do a follow-up on these again in a few more months. I am not affiliated with AMP or anyone, which I am that way with all of my reviews. That way I can give honest reviews and not have to worry about being biased because they gave me something. I paid full retail for these steps, and like I say, I'll give another review, but so far after a couple of months I can't find anything wrong or anything bad to say about them. As you can see underneath, I went with full LED lights, the full length of my steps under here. Did the same thing on the other side. Whenever they activate and come down, I just wired those directly in with my wires that was actually meant for the factory lights. But like I say, I can't complain. I like them. Give me any comments or feedback anyone else has on them. Click subscribe if you like our videos. We will keep doing videos of any kind of mods and stuff we do, or anything to keep everyone up to date on how things are. Thanks. Enjoy. Bye.